Yo, what's up, YouTube? Instagram, I'm at Punts Auto Repair. My boy Leslie working on it. Number 5 cylinder. It was still telling me I had a misfire. I changed out the spark plugs, changed out the coil packs. Still telling me I had the misfire. Check engine light was on, but it went back off. But you know what? My man Leslie gonna check it out for me. Do a compression test, right? Compression test. And I've been saying pressure test. I don't know. And hopefully we can get this worked out. All right, don't forget, like, subscribe. Y'all know the routine. Hit me up on Instagram. Nitesmoke, Nitesmoke. All right, see you later.